Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I am going to check the sound. Good morning, Chris. Good. The sound seems to be okay. Good morning, Yanni. Oh, are you in your new home already? That's awesome. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Mary. All right, it is time for us to start. And today, let's continue discussing how we can rewrite our stories, our beliefs, so that we become more open to the possibility of real love, both from ourselves and from others. Sharon Salzberg writes, "To truly love ourselves, we must treat our stories with respect, but not allow them to have a stranglehold on us, so that we free our mutable presence and beckoning future from the past. To truly love ourselves, we must open to our wholeness, rather than clinging to the slivers of ourselves represented by our old stories. Living in a story of a limited self to any degree is not love. To truly love ourselves, we must challenge our beliefs that we need to be different or inherently better in order to be worthy of love. When we contort ourselves trying to find some way to become okay, our capacity to love shrinks, and our attempts to improve ourselves fill the space that could be filled with love. Maybe we don't need to correct some terrible deficiency. Maybe what we really need is to change our relationship to what is, to see who we are with the strength of a generous spirit and a wise heart. Saint Augustine said, if you're looking for something that is everywhere, you don't need to travel to get there. You need love. So today, let's do a loving kindness practice infused with the reflection around one of the stories you constantly tell yourself around love. One of your, so to speak, limiting beliefs. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. There is no need to focus on your breath intently. Simply allow yourself to feel how your body breathes itself in and out, in and out. No struggle, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy. See if you get a sense of spaciousness in your breath. Now pick one of your usual stories, beliefs around love. Maybe it's something like, I have to be a certain way to be liked or loved, or I'm not worthy of love, or I deserve love only when I do this and that. Take your time. Just pick one of your beliefs. Now see if you can trace the story, this belief, to its place of origin. Maybe one of your parents or grandparents used to say this to you. Maybe you simply deduced this from their behavior. Maybe you read it somewhere or saw it in a movie and internalized it. Whatever it is, ask yourself, what is true about the statement? And get really quiet for the next little while, allowing yourself to receive your answers in the form of words, images, or physical sensations. What is true about the statement? Now add the following question. What would my life be and feel like if I did not believe that? What would I be and feel like if I didn't believe that? Again, get really quiet and allow yourself to receive your answer. And by the way, your answer does not have to make any sense. Whatever you see or feel is perfect, just the way it should be. Try not to overanalyze it. What would my life be and feel like if I did not believe that? What would I be and feel like if I didn't believe that? And now your last question. How can I reframe this belief to reflect the actual truth of the matter? For example, if you discover that your belief is, I am unlovable unless I act a certain way, try reframing it into, I am lovable just because I'm human. Choose the words that resonate with you, of course. And don't worry if it sounds artificial at first. With practice, it'll all settle out. Once you find your reframe, repeat it 3 times, silently or out loud, listening to the response of your body. Accept whatever this response is, even if it's fear or a huge no. Respect that. Simply trust the process. At some point, your heart will open to the new possibility. And now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for this deep, powerful work that you've just done. Send yourself the energy of gratitude and loving kindness. Repeat after me, silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of the practice. As always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue reflecting on what stories, what beliefs affect your concept of love. And every time you come across something that really runs your life, get curious and question it. What is true about this belief? Who would I be and feel if I did not believe that? What would my life be and feel like if I didn't believe it? How can I reframe it? Enjoy this process. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. Tomorrow is Lorna's breathing, and I will see you on Saturday.